Hey, I'm Clay Graham from XURL and XRPL.org, and I'm here to talk about asymmetric, durable payments for the XUMM wallet and XRP ledger. So the key question here is, what if by adding one capability to the XRP payment ecosystem, we could expand the kinds of use cases we're used to? What I mean by that is, what we're used to doing commonly with payment systems is this kind of just-in-time payment between two individuals, two wallets, like, Cash App or Venmo or these type of things. But to do that, two individuals have to coordinate and share information just in time. But what if we flipped the script on that and we said, okay, what if it was an on-demand process and the payee had all of their information ready and used automation to create a payment instruction at the time of request? That is the fundamental idea and key value proposition of asymmetric durable payments. So, what is an XURL? Essentially, it's a protocol for specifying a payment request in a durable way, in a way where you could print it, or put it on your wall, or put it on a keychain holder, or whatever, so that the payer just needs to be able to scan that QR code at whenever they want in order to generate payment. And then XURLpay.org is a backend that implements that and provides an API for other users to be able to leverage that protocol. And XURL has a whole set of metadata that allows a backend essentially to generate a ZAP, XApp, XUMM deep link. That's essentially what it is. And it opens up a whole bunch of new kinds of payment use cases. Payment use cases like scan-to-pay durable payment deep links. In other words, what if, like, a food cart could just print their menu on the side of their cart and people walked up and just scanned QR codes, and the actual owner of the small business didn't need a point-of-sale system. They merely looked at their wallet to see whether someone had paid or not. That's a simple kind of an approach of how a payer would drive a payment and how that use case could be powerful. It has pretty powerful B2B implications as well, because imagine if a distributor, instead of calling someone up, getting terms, merely printed an order invoice with the line items that are requested and sent that by email. And then instead of having net terms, the customer just merely scanned it whenever they were ready to pay and receive goods. And that would tell the back end to actually prepare the shipment and send it within 3 business days. Not only that, if it's an order list that is common, the payer could just reorder just by scanning the QR code again. Finally, in asymmetric situations where the payer has more technology, in this case a XUMM wallet, than the payee, someone who wants to receive goods but doesn't have a smartphone, might have an IoT device that costs like $2 or $3, like in vending, or might even be a person who wants to be able to accept digital payments but doesn't have a smartphone. We want to do a few things with XRPL.org. We want to create an API that developers can use to implement their own XRP applications. Imagine an e-commerce backend. A reference implementation. All this is open source, so if they wanted to implement their own XRP application, they have code boilerplate to do that. And we want to go to Apex and show this working and show how powerful it is, and start working groups around this protocol so that it has synergy. This is how we extract the power from the XUMM platform, actually have it help real people in the real world. That's it. I'm Clay from XURL and XRPL.org. Thanks for letting me show you the story, and have a great day.